Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to access the system configuration utility in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for system configuration. Here you can see system configuration. You have to click on it. Now click on services. Now search for your service you want to disable. You have to turn off this button. Then click on OK and you have to click on restart. So this is how you can access system configuration utility in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.